DAE sneeze when puking their eyebrows? Why did you swallow them in the first place? That would likely make me puke. I k about sneezing though. No I don't, but strangely I do cough a ridiculous amount when cleaning my ears. I think those are words. I don't sneeze when puking my eyebrows but I do cough when it's going down. Plucking your eyebrows triggers the trigeminal nerve and your brain believes you have to sneeze. Yes. For plucking that is. Is this sub okay? Yes. I hate it. I cry while plucking mine haha. I don't do it anymore. No, I don't think I have ever puked mine or anyone else's eyebrows, even when hangovered. Every single time.